Where does the name for the Dunks come from? So today I'm in Wrexham in an area called the Dunks. Let's get into the name. To make sense of this name, we have to look at the original Welsh name for the area first, Gwern Dunk. Now, Gwern literally means elder trees, but also had the meaning of a swamp or quagmire, usually with elder trees in it. But what's a tunk? So in order to understand what a tunk is, we have to get into one of my favourite topics, medieval Welsh law. In medieval Wales, most common people didn't use money. They would trade what they could grow or make for what they wanted in a barter system. This worked fine for them, mostly, but it didn't exactly make it easy for the nobles who taxed them. Since coins and money weren't widespread, the nobles would have a tax called the gwestfa, where they would take a certain portion for the food that the peasants grew in exchange for their access to the land that the lords nominally owned. A tunk was a commutation of that. Essentially, it's where the working people were obliged to pay a cash tax instead of paying the usual tax of the food that they grew. Often this was associated with certain plots or certain families, so the noble who owned it would know that they would get a certain amount of money in their income from tax rather than just food. So the name literally means the area that pays their taxes in cash rather than food, the area that pays with a tunk. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.